Hey, and here we are again with another day of the experiment of trust. This is day 15. I am getting more and more excited of what will show up after 40 days. Because somehow it looks like the energy is reaching some kind of stable flow. And I know that we're now almost halfway. I'm sorry because I missed a few days. It's really hard to record every day for like 40 days, but I will do my best even if I only do a really short one, right? So even if it's only a 1 minute, let me do my utmost best to record one every day. And if not, I mean, I'm recording this anyway, so it'll at the end be a 40-day recording. But in the beginning, there was this energy that was neglected. There was this energy that was ignored. And it was up to us to tap into that energy and make sure that it was able to reach us and to connect with us and to fulfill us and to be in communication with us. And now that energy is in communication with us. And there's this constant reminder of what does trust feel like. We've been misinterpreting trust. We've been misidentifying trust. We've been misusing trust. We've been abusing trust. We've done everything with trust except for treating it for what it is. Using it for what it is. Allowing it to be what it is. And now every time we tap into trust, it's like, what do you perceive? Trust is asking us to remember what trust is. What is trust? Do you trust? And when anxiety shows up, it means you're not trusting. When you trust, there might be anxiety, but it's not affecting what you choose to be. And as I tap into the energy right now, the frequency is really high. And let's ask some questions, again, regarding trust and regarding your life. And let's be honest, do you trust God will come through for you? Yes or no? I got a yes. Do you trust all is going to be well, even though it may not look that way in your circumstances? Do you feel like it is possible? Miracles will happen, because they kind of have to if your circumstances are not pointing in a direction of whatever it is. And another thing, are you choosing to enjoy the process? Are you choosing to enjoy not knowing? Are you choosing to walk this journey out? To see where you are not so happy with the results? To see where you are happy with results, maybe? To see where there are things you might still need to work on? Or to see how you can teach yourself to relax a little bit more, to just be in this energy, and to allow this reality to just pass by. Is that a possibility in your world? Would you be able to allow this reality to pass you by, for you to not be a part of that, even though you're moving through it, you're navigating through this life? And there's so much going on in the world right now. There's so much coming to the surface. And I know a lot of people, and each and every one of them is doing their own thing, which is amazing. And it also looks like things are coming together. Things are really connecting. And you know, when we talk about amplitude, when we talk about that there are frequencies that are equal, and they resonate, they get together, they connect, that the frequency rises exponentially. There's this amplitude because of the resonance, and the frequency goes up. And I see that happening in connecting all over the place, where we're connecting with people, navigating on a higher frequency, coming together, resonating, and then raising the standard, raising the frequency. And now imagine that happening all over the place. There are more and more light workers connecting all over the place. Reaching that amplitude, making sure that whatever it is that they're choosing, really trust that. Because this basically is science. This is physics. This is, do you believe that when frequencies resonate, that it is a scientific fact that it exponentializes, that there is an amplitude and that the frequency goes up? And we went through that process a few times, and now again we're connecting with other people, so there's this other resonance, and again it goes to a higher level. And are you willing to believe that that is happening all over the world? Just look at what you're experiencing yourself. Just look at how you see other people connecting, and it gets stronger and stronger and stronger. Right? You jump into that higher frequency, and then you again connect with others, and then it resonates and you jump into a higher frequency. Are you willing to believe that is true? Yes or no? So when you believe that that is true, let's move further. Let's build on that, because that is exactly what we get to do. We get to believe what is true, and that will become a reality. And I don't know if you perceive this right now, but already in this conversation, I perceive that we're moving in this higher direction, that we're sort of floating above the rest. Not out of a superiority, but just simply in frequency. When others want to stay in a lower frequency, we have to be willing to let them. Just let them. Let us jump into higher timelines. Let us use each other's frequency for that amplitude. And rise up. I love you. See you tomorrow.